How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode, then enter your device passcode to get in. Step 2. Tap Stolen Device Protection. Step 3. Turn off the switch for stolen device protection and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. If it doesn't work, force quit the Settings app and try again. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone and retry. Step 4. You'll likely see a security delay required to change stolen device protection screen. Tap the Start Security Delay button, which will start a 1-hour countdown. Step 5. Tap Done and wait for an hour. You can continue using your iPhone during this period, but restarting the iPhone will reset the countdown. You can return to this screen and try turning off the stolen device protection toggle to see the remaining security delay time. Step 6. After an hour, you'll get the Security Delay Ended notification. Tap it and enter your iPhone passcode to return to the Face ID and passcode screen. Step 7. Select Stolen Device Protection again. Step 8. Turn off the switch for stolen device protection and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to finally disable this feature.